A good day to you, Miss Chromosome. May I interest you in mitosis or meiosis this fine evening? Let's take a seat where we can talk more about them. Mitosis and meiosis are both wonderful processes with their own perks individually. They're both very different, but they also have similarities. But before we talk about that, let's talk about each one of them individually. Let me just get a chart for you so I can present them. First, let's talk about mitosis. This is the process that our customers go through. There's 4 phases in mitosis. G1, in which the cell gets bigger. Interphase, in which the DNA duplicates. G2, in which there are checks for errors in the DNA. And then M phase, in which mitosis starts taking place. I see that I'm losing you, but I swear it's more exciting than you think. So, as you can see, M phase has 4 parts in order for mitosis to work. There's prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In prophase, the nuclear envelope disappears and the DNA chromosomes are made visible. In metaphase, the chromosomes move to the middle in a straight line. And in anaphase, DNA is pulled to opposite sides by poles. And in telophase, the nuclear envelope appears again to make 2 new nucleuses. Finally, cytokinesis ties them all up. So may I interest you in setting the form for mitosis? Oh, no? Okay, then may I interest you in meiosis instead? As you can see, meiosis is a 2-part sexual reproduction of cells. Yes, you heard that right. Meiosis only works for sex cells. That's the first difference. Another difference is that it has a pro of being able to survive changing environments due to the fact that it's genetically diverse. Also, as you can see, meiosis has 2 parts, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Because meiosis cells gets half of its DNA from the dad cell and half of its DNA from the mom cell, it basically summarized it all up. It has to do mitosis twice. But there is crossing over in meiosis too. A big difference between mitosis and meiosis is that it doesn't produce identical cells, because in meiosis there's different combinations of genes that make a new cell. Instead of making 2 cells, it makes 4 cells. It seems very complicated, but we are very successful in what we do. So may I interest you in meiosis? What? No? Not even meiosis? What? You can't kick me out. You have to choose eventually.